Infinity, Papa Whiskey Juliet, 7368. I think he's about to bail. Shots fired! Shots fired!
March 12, 2022, at approximately 2:10 a.m., officers were on routine patrol at the Vina Game Room located at 12809 Ardea Road. The suspect, 34-year-old Seth Michael Anderson, was seen at the location and was recognized as a wanted felon with a history of evading police. Uniformed officers requested covert deployment officers and Air 1 for assistance. The suspect then left the game room in a 2012 four-door Infinity. Covert deployment officers followed the suspect into the Everly apartment complex, located at 9350 Skillman Street, at which time marked squad cars entered the complex. At approximately 2:24 a.m. during the pursuit, the suspect struck another squad car, injuring officers Muller and DeLuna. The suspect then drove into a dead end, resulting in him being boxed in with Officer M's vehicle. At approximately 2:24 a.m., the suspect opened the driver door, pointed a handgun out of the door, and began firing at Officer Him. Officer Him took cover and returned fire as the suspect continued to shoot at Officer Him. The suspect then opened the door with his hands raised as though he was going to surrender. At that moment, the suspect exited and ran from the arresting officers.
I need cover to 9350 Skillman. 44, he just ran into us. He just ran into us. Here's an ambulance. They're on their way. Go ahead and clear, I'll add you.
Okay. Echo 295, he's still going through the complex.
Description?
Infinity, Papa Whiskey Juliet, 7368. I think he's about to bail.
Where'd you get him? Shot fire. Shot fired. 10-4. Alpha 244, shots fired. Got it, there's shots fired. The FR and we're out. With 244, we're by building 6. All elements responding code 3. And for sir, we're 9350 Skillman, shots fired, felony, he fled. Talk. He. Echo 293, hold the radio. Keep everyone coming this way. We've got a felony stop in progress. He's running westbound through the complex.
He just ran my vehicle.
Right behind me with no lights on. We just hit a car.
10-4, I need cover to 9350 Skillman.
He's falling out of here. He wrecked his car. He's going to the exit gate right there. He just hit a squad car.
44, he just ran into us. Here's an ambulance. They're on their way. Go ahead and clear, I'll add you.
Okay. Echo 295, he's still going through the complex.
Description?
Infinity, Papa Whiskey Juliet, 7368. I think he's about to bail.
hands out the window! Put your hands out of the window!
Show me your fucking hands!
Put the car in fucking park! And keep your hands right there!
9350, Skillman shots fired, felony.
Get your fucking hands up!
Red.
Come out of the car slowly with your hands up!
Hands up!
Keep them up!
Get on the fucking ground! Do not reach! I will fucking shoot you again!
Get on the fucking ground!
Get on the fucking ground! I will end you! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Westbound through the complex. White male, black shirt, blue jeans.
Do not fucking move! I will put a bullet in your fucking head! Get on the ground!
Do it! I'm reaching for a gun. Just shoot me, our engine. Reaching for a gun. Just shoot me. Just shoot me. Shoot me. Please. Shoot me. Get the other hand. Give us your other hand now. Taser.
Taser, taser!
I'm fucking resisting.
I will tase you again, motherfucker!
Resisting now. Get that hand, Christian.
You got it.
You get out of there.
Kilo 4, Kilo 6, can you head that way?
Taser's coming man.
I am!
I gotta get that hand, man. Give me your fucking hand. So hold your fucking hands together.
Got one in custody at 227.
Does he have a gun?
Shut your fucking mouth. You can't breathe.
What's that? No, no. Check yourself.
Let me see. Turn around. Turn around. 244 to all elements that are code 6. Turn yourself when you're injured. Shut your fucking mouth. Go shoot my fucking partner, dude. You have a gun on you? Shut the hell up, dude.
Huh? Yeah. He fucking shot at me. Yeah, I know. Fucking almost hit me. Are you good? Hey, are you good?
I'm good.
Okay. Hey, no, he shot at me.